Your scale stopped moving. The instinct is to eat less. The science says the opposite. Take a 1 to 2 week diet break. I will explain why, and give you the exact protocol. A plateau is when you eat at a deficit for weeks and the scale refuses to budge. The first thought? Eat less. But that is wrong. Your body has adapted. Metabolic rate drops. NEAT drops. Hormones shift. Cortisol rises. You need to do the opposite of what your instinct tells you. A 2025 meta-analysis: plateaus are real and predicted. The body defends your highest weight. When calorie intake drops, metabolic rate drops up to 15%. The solution: increase calories temporarily. This is called a diet break. Evidence shows diet breaks reset leptin levels, reduce cortisol, and improve adherence. The result? You lose more in the long run despite eating more for 1 to 2 weeks. Here is the reverse diet protocol. Increase calories by 10 to 15% above maintenance for 1 to 2 weeks. Focus on carbohydrates and protein. Keep fat moderate. Do not go crazy, this is not a binge. It is a strategic pause. After the break, resume your deficit at a slightly higher level. Most people restart at 200 to 300 calories more than before the plateau. Who should take a diet break? If you have been dieting for 8+ weeks. If the scale has not moved for 3+ weeks despite adherence. If you are experiencing extreme hunger, poor sleep, or mood swings. If your period has stopped, for women. These are signs your body needs a break. Picture this. You have been eating 1,500 calories for 3 months. The scale stopped. You dropped to 1,200. Still nothing. You dropped to 1,000. Still nothing. Now you are hangry, tired, and fantasizing about pizza. The solution? Eat 2,000 calories for 2 weeks. You will feel human again. And the scale will start moving. Calories are not just subtraction. They are signaling. Case study. John lost 8 kilograms in 10 weeks. Then plateaued for 4 weeks. He thought he needed to eat less. Instead, he increased to maintenance for 10 days. He gained 0.5 kilograms water weight initially. Then when he resumed dieting, he lost another 3 kilograms in 3 weeks. The break worked. His body was ready to let go again. This has been Info Vital. Day 29. Plateaus are not failure. They are a sign to change approach. Like this video. Subscribe. Share with someone stuck in a plateau. Tomorrow, day 30, the playbook for keeping it off for good. Last day of the series. See you then.